Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see urllib in Python. The urllib in Python programming is a package that can be used while we are working with URLs. We have urllib.request, which can be used for opening and reading URLs. We have urllib.error, which can be used to catch all the errors and exceptions that happened or occurred when we use urllib.request for opening and reading URLs. urllib.parse method is used for parsing the URLs. Syntax is import urllib.request. Like that we can also get parse and error. Once we import the URL libraries, then we will be able to use their the methods that we imported. One important thing to know about this urllib is we can also make API calls from Python. Let's take this as an example. This is an API which is available, and we can get this information without any authentication. So we are going to make a call out to this particular endpoint, and then we are going to see the response. Let's use this sample code. I'm using urllib request, parse and error, and using urllib.request.url open method, I'm opening this URL. So it will make a call to this API. Once it makes a call to this API, it will be stored in this obj response. I'm using for and in operator to iterate each and every line of the response, and then I'm using print method and strip method to remove the white space from the beginning and as well as on the end, and then I'm displaying the line by line. So if this code is executed, it will bring in each and every information and then it will be displaying. Since I'm using strip method, all this space will be removed. Let's see that. So it is making a call out. Call out was made successfully. Call out retrieved the values. So I'm displaying each and every line of the response. There are several ways to parse and get the values that are retrieved from this calls. So you can use string methods, you can use regular expressions. There are some good libraries like Beautiful Soap, and also we have XML tree using which we can parse and get the values quickly. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.